Alright, I'm back with another video of some Immaculate Baseball 2015. Alright. See what we get this time. Got a pretty good base on top. Babe Ruth, number 48 of 99, gold. Another base card, David Ortiz, number 20 of 99. Patch, Kirby Puckett, number 6 of 10. Pretty nice. Nice legend of the game, deceased player. Jumbo jersey of Tyler Beatty, and number 32 of 49. Then a jersey of Byron Buxton, number 60 of 99. Autograph of Terrence Gore, acetate. And is it number, yeah, 36 of 79. Next is Matt Barnes autograph patch, number 46 of 99. Got a little bit of white up in that corner, but 46 of 99. And the final card, acetate autograph jersey. I didn't realize I had a jersey there. Oh, just this one has jersey of Todd Frazier, and that is number 46 of 49, just like the Matt Barnes, number 46. So that's that for this break. Thanks for watching.